Hi, this is Bhupendra Singh and this video is about to show you how you can upload Arduino Bootloader in Arduino Uno. This is helpful while Arduino suddenly stop working and it displaying the COM port but unable to upload the code in Arduino. So let's start. For this we need two Arduino. I make this Arduino as programmer and another one is that in which we want to upload the bootloader. Beside it we need only 6 male-to-male connecting wires. Now what do? Go to the file tab, click on example and open the Arduino ISP program. Now take first Arduino and connect to computer's USB port. Open the Arduino IDE and go to tools and select board as Arduino Uno. Again go to tools, then port and select the Arduino COM port as displayed here. Now upload this program to Arduino. Uploading done. Now this Arduino is act as a programmer to other Arduino. Now start connecting it. But we first take a look on the circuit diagram. This is the circuit diagram. Now we connect 13, 12 and 11 pins to second Arduino's 13, 12 and 11 as per the circuit diagram. Now connect 10 number pin of programmer Arduino to reset pin of second board. Now connect to VCC and ground to ground. We have connected all the pins that are required to upload the bootloader. Now we connect the Arduino to computer that we already make programmer. Click on tools, then programmer and select programmer Arduino as ISP. Now click on burn bootloader. As you can see, burning of bootloader has been done. Now this Arduino is updated with bootloader. Let's test it by uploading a test program on it. Disconnect all the connecting wires. Connect this board to PC. Change the programmer to AVR ISP MK2. Select the port and upload the test program. That's great. Program uploaded successfully in this Arduino. You can see the Arduino is working fine. Now you can use it as usual. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and like, subscribe and share my channel. See you on next video.